gosh, there's a bird in the house. Oh, there's a bird! There's a bird in the house! There's a bird in the house! Oh!
Where'd it go?
Where'd he go?
Oh, you don't know.
Where's the bird?
Pull on it, Caleb.
Where's the bird?
Yeah, don't pull.
Oh, he's up on the curtain. No, bird. Bird! There's a bird in the house! There's a bird in our house!
In the office now.
Listen, don't chase it around too much.
Don't chase the bird.
Can we keep it as a pet?
No, but I'm putting this on YouTube.
Stay back for a minute.
I'm putting this on
It's up there
YouTube.
top of the window. I'm gonna try to open that door and see if it'll fly right out.
Go get your shotgun.
Shh.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Okay, wait, I'll jump up and catch it.
Be still and quiet. You're gonna scare it.
Hey,
Not too
birdie.
close. That's close enough.
Hey, bird.
Isaac, that's close enough.
Fly out. Bird, get out.
Hold this. Isaac, step back. Okay, stand right here. And hold your pillow up in the air.
I'm putting
Think
this
it
on
could go this
YouTube. I'm putting this on YouTube. Oh!
Hold on.
Where is he? Where is he?
He's in the living room now. He comes in my head.
Where is he?
He's on the way.
Oh,
You may find it hard to
thing.
believe your brain can make such complex social assessments based on a face alone. But it can.
No. I'm sure he's scared.
Which one of these faces looks the most trustworthy?
Good job,
This
Caleb.
one
Flush him out.
or this one?
hi
Excellent.
birdie.
All
Thanks
right.
for visiting. Oh my gosh, this is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube.